everyone, welcome you all again in the new series of Python. So in this series, we are going to learn about how to design Instagram Reel logo. As you all can see here, like we are learning Python Turtle. So Turtle is basically a graphics library and we learn a lot with Turtle. So here we will try some experiments by making actual real life graphics. You can pick any logo. So here I'm picking Instagram Reel logo and I will let you know how to create this. So let's proceed. I hope you all know about the functions that we use in Turtle. Like there is forward, there is left, there is pen up, pen down. It's very easy. And we are using some loops for making this. So here I'm sharing my screen with all of you and I'm going to tell you that what we are going to do. So first of all, of course, we need to import the library that turtle. So I'm writing import turtle as T. This will be my first command and now I'm calling turtle like this only T dot speed. I will set the speed of the turtle. So this should be T dot speed and this speed should be 100 right now. So I'm setting it up as 100 and then I will set the background color. So I will write like T dot BG color and this color code I will take from HTML codes. You can go to HTML codes and pick the color. As you all know that every color has its code, so I'm just taking a color for this, like I'm just taking a bit pinkish color, so that's why I'm taking this. So I just wrote the code for the color. After writing down the color, I will like this is the background color will be black, and then I'm picking up the pen color, so I will take that T dot pen color, and the pen color I want will be white. Then the next thing is T dot pen size, and pen size I am setting it up as 10 because I want the shape should be quite thick. Then I'm using penup function. After this I will take T dot goto. This will be 100 and 100 means this is actually the position where my pen will go. Then pen down I'm taking. After this I'm taking T dot left and this will be 180. So this much I have done the code part, and as you all can see that my background color is this and the pen color is white, but still I am not writing down anything. I just give my pen a position. That's why it's going to a particular position. Okay. Then the next thing I want to create is a function block for creating the border. So I'm taking a function block for creating the border. After this, I will take T dot forward and this will be 150. Then I will take the for loop inside the define block. Define is actually indicating the function. So this is a function I'm making and my function name is border, right? Then I will take forward with this much, and after taking the forward, I will take the for loop. So I am taking for loop in range 90. It indicates that something is going to happen 90 times. Okay, so what I will do is move forward by 1 and then here T dot left by 1 means it will take forward left forward left forward left forward left forward left forward left for 90 times. Actually it will create the border for my Instagram reel. And now I will call my function. So I will come out of the function. As you all can see that indentation is very important here. So I'll come out of the function, means here see the indentation, and once I come out of the function, then only I will call my function block. So I'm just going to call my function here. So I will write border like this, and this border I'm calling it for, because Instagram, this is for making one line or one curved line. Okay, so I want the border should be like this only for 4 times, because there are 4 lines square we are making, so definitely it will make 4 lines. So if I do that, then if I run this, because I call the border for 4 times, then you can easily see what is happening over here. It's drawing 4 lines with curve, means it's moving forward. See, my border is complete. Now let's come on to the main file. It's main.py. After creating the border, what is the next step? I want to move my pen from one position to next position. So what I will do, I will do T pen up, and I want to move my pen now. I will create one horizontal line here. So for creating the horizontal line, I'm calling again for function for in range, because of course I'm making the line, only one line I will create. Okay, so that's why I will no, I will take this for as 90 times. Something is going to happen for 90 times, because move forward is also like one steps my pen is moving for 90 times. So that the same thing I'm doing with moving backward with pan up, right? So it will go 90 times. Like what is happening here, for making this curve it is important. Okay, I'm creating a curve over here. So it will just move forward and turn, move forward and turn, move forward then turn, then only it's possible to make a curve. So it should go back, means somewhere here, and then can create the line. That's what I want here. So for in range of 90, then it should go to backward. So I will write T dot backward, and of course this should be 1, and after going backward it should take a right turn. So I will write T dot right with 1. Now the next part is I will come out to the for loop, and I will take T dot left, that should be 90. And when it takes a position, see, if I run this, my pen will take the position for creating the line. Okay, let's see. So this is for the border command, and after making this it should take the position. See, it's at the position here, and from here I want one horizontal line to be like this. So I'll go to my main file, and I'll come over here. So here I will take T dot pen down, and now after making my pen down, I want my pen to be forward. So I will take T dot forward command. I will just copy this command and paste it over here, because I don't want to write it again and again. And how many times forward? Actually, this you need to identify. According to me, it should be 259. So I'm doing that. And then after this, of course, again, I want to pen up the command. So I will take, copy this code and paste it here, because I want to pen up the command after this. Now, when my command is pen up, what will happen? It will go to the right with 180 and then forward with 85. So I'm just taking T dot right, and this will be 180. And after going to 180, T dot forward will be 85. So of course I'm just taking T dot forward command over here. So I'm taking T dot forward, and this forward command, just wait. Okay, so I'll copy this command, and t dot forward command, this will be 85. Okay, so this command will be 85. Then t dot left I will take, because it should take a turn then. So I'm just taking copy left command, and t dot left will be of 120 degrees. So you can check what it is creating over here. Then after doing this, the pen will down again, then forward, then right. Okay, so this will create something very interesting. Let's see. So when it goes to the position, then it takes the position, and see, it's here. Why it is here? Because I want now these diagonal lines like this for making Instagram reel, right? Instagram reel logo. So that's why I want it to be like that only. After doing this, I'm just scrolling down my page, means after taking the left turn of 120 degree, pen will down, because before that pen is up. Now I want the pen will down, so I will take like t dot uh, pen down. So here, pen down command is of course, I'm just calling it directly. Then after this, I will take like T forward 60 and T right 120. So I will take T forward, T dot forward, and this will be 60, and then T dot right, and the right tone it will take 60, and I think this is t dot forward is 60, and right turn will be 120, right? Yes, right turn will be 120. So actually it's creating a curve line. We can see over here what is happening. So we can go to the main file also. So after this, we will make another diagonal lines like p, like this is one diagonal line we make, like with the command is t dot pen up. Then this will be 100 uh, degree forward actually happen. So I will create another diagonal line like this. So what I will do, of course, I want pen up command, so it should be pen up command. And once it's span up, just wait, so it should be span up command. And yeah, so once it will be like pen up, then it will forward, right, pen down, and forward, simple. So I will take forward and right command. I'm just taking, like, I'll just copy and paste it here. So the forward will be 100 this time. Parameters you can check whenever you will make the shapes, you will make the parameters. Actually, I have good experience of making graphics, so that's why I am taking the correct parameters. So you can check even parameters by yourself. So after this, the pen will down. So I will take t dot pen down command, and I'll just close this command like this. After this, I will take like t dot forward. So this will be t dot forward, and this forward command should be of 60, because it should be forward with 60. Now what next is, after making this, I will draw a triangle in between. So for drawing a triangle, what you will do is t dot pen up, means of course you need to pan up and you need to go to the position. So I will write t dot go to, and here I'm giving the coordinate 5 and minus 20. So this will be my coordinates, means where my position, my cursor, my turtle position will be. And then it will be t dot left, and this will be 60, because I'm going to take left with 60. So if I play this again, and you can easily check this commands like what is happening over here. So I'm just taking the left with 60, and then I will take right with 90 and pen down. See, this is like that, but what I want is that it's at the position, but I want that this triangle, this should be like, this is right now is 60, and now it should be L shape degree, right? So it should go to the right with L shape. So that's what I want. Now what I will do is I will come here, I will take like T dot right, and this time the right will be 90. After going right, I will take T dot pen down, and this will close actually like that. Then I will take the for loop over here. So this is done. Now I will take the for loop. What is the for loop? So I will, of course, in triangle, how many sides we have? We have three sides of the triangle. So the same thing we are doing with the for loop here. So I'm doing for I in range 3 because I want it to be 3. So for I in range 3, it will be T dot forward. This will be 70. After moving forward, it will be T dot left. This will be 120. And then I will like I actually want the total should be height, okay, because this is done. Now the only triangle is left, so it's almost been done. Now here I want to hide my turtle. I don't want to show the turtle, so I will take T dot hide turtle, and this is actually a simple function. And after creating your shape, I will give T dot done, means your shape is completely done. So yes, your shape is completely done, and I will run this code. So you can check it here like that. It's very simple, easy to make. You can take any logo like this, and it's so simple. It's just you need to know about the correct things, like what's happening over here, what is the correct thing, like what correct part you need to show. So I just want to display this only. So this is your final result, and it's amazing. You can make different logos and everything, and just send us on our Instagram channel, our Facebook page. You can post everything on there. Okay, everyone. Bye bye. Let's meet you in the another interesting session.